This is my 3rd episode on Nedo Zone. 1 second, I've beat this game before. I'm just gonna pause
Show them what it is.
Well, I have a Cat Mario Amiibo that my Aunt Chelsea got me. Well, I'll just show you what happens in 1 second. Okay, I'll figure out what the Cat Mario Amiibo does if I scan it. No way. Is this the one for the 3DS? Or is it this one? Well, once I figure it out, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, this took a lot longer than I expected. But all I had to do was hold down this key, and I put down the amiibo right here. And I'm not able to scan it twice. Now I just have to start over. Good kitty cat. Okay. And then I'm able to grab a golden cat suit. And the golden cat suit's the best because it's the cat suit, and also enemies are no match. Goomba, I thought you were gonna hit me. Dang it, I didn't mean to kill it. Say goodbye to normal power-ups, like this Tanuki Leaf. And even say goodbye to this cat power-up. Psychic powers. Who cares about a cat power-up? Who cares about me, in fact? Well, that'll wrap up today's video about the Cat Mario Amiibo. And it also works with Bowser's Fury. Well, I'll just jump out of it.